human trash. Someone called my users human trash. These are his exact words, and I'm not paraphrasing. I built JobOps, which is an open source job hunting platform. It's got a few thousand self-hosters and several paying customers now. Earlier today, a hiring manager opened a GitHub discussion thread titled, "This project is of dubious moral value." Now, I'm at an event, but I have to open a notification that looks like this, right? So I do. And here's what the discussion says. "This project is of dubious moral value. I am receiving tons of garbage AI-generated resumes with obviously fake experience. This isn't helping anyone. It is immoral, just like cutting in line at the store. As a hiring manager, when I see a resume with the smell of AI slop, like those made with this tool, I put the candidate in the dead to me human trash category." Now, I'm not saying that there is no features in the app that could be used to produce slop, but they are primarily features which would reduce copy-pasting between the job description and ChatGPT and then into a resume and then exporting that resume. I can't deny the ground reality. Most, if not all, hiring managers these days are inundated with slop CVs. The culture on the other side of the table isn't exactly healthy either. There is a satirist on LinkedIn who posts fake recruiter takes, and one of his recent ones was basically, "If you haven't failed 50 interviews, I reject you immediately because candidates need to experience the pain." I know it's a joke, but it lands because it's one notch away from actual recruiter posts that you've probably seen. That's the energy that we're dealing with from the other side. So a hiring manager calling me the immoral one for building a tool that mostly only helps candidates apply faster is insane to me. Whether we like it or not, unfortunately for all of us, the modern de facto way of applications does involve some kind of AI assistance for the writing sections. People are already copy-pasting job descriptions into ChatGPT and asking them to make a perfect set of skills and a perfect summary paragraph for that job description. That ship has sailed years ago, and pretending anything otherwise at this point is purely cope. Now, with complete set it and forget it style auto-apply tools, with absolutely no interaction between you sending the application, it is not only possible, but dare I say likely, that AI hallucinations will slip through the cracks. The same is true of asking ChatGPT or Claude or any of these models to write your resume for you. If a recruiter gets a resume that's pure slop, only buzzwords that say nothing, and fake experience, they should get binned, because it's clear that no thought has been put into the application at all. The bare minimum an applicant can do is read what they're saying they are and what version of themselves they're presenting. I think the real question isn't that should tools like JobOps exist, but more how hiring needs to change to handle on-paper perfect resumes, because now everyone has the means to make any experience sound as impressive as driving a beat-up Honda Civic to the moon and back. Now, I want to be completely clear here. JobOps isn't auto-apply. I don't want it to be auto-apply. I think auto-applying is a horrible idea. It is an Iron Man suit. The human needs to be there to drive the bloody thing. With human supervision baked in on every step, it is vastly less likely for hallucinations to slip through, even if it is an AI writing it. The bits that are edited by the AI are shown front and center for each job, and the user has complete control over what changes, when it changes, and why those changes are being made and how you want those changes being made. The human is the one applying, and the human should check that the version of themselves that is going out is the version that they want to show off to the world. Again, think augmentation, not hands completely off the wheel automation. Anyway, this is what I replied with. If you want to see what I'm building, and if it sounds like something that you would use, it's open source. You can self-host it if you want, or there's also a hosted tier. Links below.